Food and Fun is a school enrichment programme which runs through the summer holidays. Last year we had 4 schools participating. This year we've had 10, and I'd love to see a lot more for next year.
It's a really good opportunity for him to make new friends, to do new things. The healthy eating part of it is amazing because of his eating foods that usually he might not want to try, but because his friends are doing it in school, he's like, oh, I'm going to try this.
It's crazy to see the difference in him in 3 weeks. He's tried stuff here that he hasn't tried in years.
I think it's the only time she gets up for school is Food and Fun.
Children are provided with a healthy breakfast and a healthy lunch. Families are also invited once a week for breakfast or lunch with their children.
Bailey really enjoyed coming, so coming here and seeing what he's done has been brilliant.
Food and Fun blends education with enjoyment, giving children the opportunity to explore new foods, develop practical skills, stay active and learn through positive experiences. It combines learning with fun, and children leave with lots of fun memories.
Mae'r flwyddyn cyntaf i wneud bwyd a hwyl yn cynnwyd sant. Mae'r plant a'r staff wedi joio mas draw a byddwn ni bendant yn wneud e blwyddyn nesaf. Rydyn ni'n edrych ymlaen.
Targed play sports yw i annog plant i bod yn iachus a bod yn rhan o chwaraeon a cael hwyl.
I've got to say, they do have fun. It's not really rigid like a school. They're out dancing, they're playing, they're learning as they're playing, they're learning as they're eating.
They're having fun. They're getting the physical activity, they're getting their regular meals, they're learning about the nutrition and the value of a healthy, balanced lifestyle.
None of those children are the exact same as they were before they come in, whether they've tried something new or they've found a new sport that they really enjoy. It just inspires them.
We had a ceremony where everyone had a certificate. I had a special one for being a good role model. So I'm definitely going to eat less sweets because I know how much sugar's in them.
Ray wedi dysgu mai carbs yn rhoi lot o egni I ti.
It's really fun as well. That's why it's called Food and Fun.
When I get home, I tell my dad when he goes shopping to buy all the different fruits I've tried, so then I can eat them in the house. Mae diodydd egni yn cael lot o sugar a dydw I ddim angen e. My favourite thing about Food and Fun is the sports they do is so fun, yeah. I've made lots of new friends as well.
It means to get out the house and not stay inside.
I learned to play tennis and dodgeball. The most important one to me is probably eating healthy stuff and learning all about food groups.
Roedd y gêm blasu yn hwyl fod I hoffi cucumber.
Orange juice has more sugar than orange in it.
I decided to eat less sugar.
Tuesday we did a dance workshop. We learned how to do moonwalk.
We're delivering a STEM workshop, which is something that's always really popular, and it involves teamwork and lots of fun hands-on activities.
There are lots of experiences that they won't experience otherwise because people can't afford these things.
It's really worth doing for the children, for the staff and for the parents.
The graffiti wall is where we get feedback from the parents and the children. I really liked playing Chaos Tag because it was so fun and different. I tried some melon and it was yummy. I also ate watermelon. And I think that sums up Food and Fun.
Beth rydw i'n dwlu am y raglen yma yw mae'n rhoi siawns i'r plant siarad mwy o Cymraeg yn y gwyliau a defnyddio'r iaith.
The Food and Fun programme is coordinated by Welsh Local Government Association and funded by Welsh Government. If you'd like to get more information about the programme, please get in touch.